Nakuba kuke kwenzeke ukudidana kwamathuna kepha kuhlale kushaqisa ngaso sonke isikhathi. Umndeni kaHope Mokate ubukhungathekile njengoba bebecinga ithuna lendodana yabo.
Nesetse bile ke tena ga ke ra ngwana ke ka go nkwatatse bile a sampatlela gore ke tleng.
Umndeni uthi umufi wathunwa ngo-2001 ngeshwa emva kweminyaka emihlanu kwathunwa omunye umuntu phezu kweliba lakhe.
They put the tombstone. Without our consent, we didn't even know anything about it.
Iziphathimandla zithi kungenzeka ukudidana kwezinombolo zamathuna okuholele kulesimo.
When we arrived at the office, they told us that Hope Mokate, which is my brother, he's at 1659 section 8. And then they told us that Mofoko's family's number is 1569.
Le nombolo eyethuna likaLiduma Mufuka owangcwatshwa ngo-2000 umndeni wakhe uboniswe ithuna lakhe okuyilo okokuqala ngqa selokhu ashona. Phezu kwakhe kufanele kube indodana yakhe eyabe engumdlali weKaizer Chiefs uMofet Mufuka. Ngeshwa kukholakala ukuthi wabekwa phezu kweliba likaHope Mokate ngo-2006.
You find that the people that came and showed the families here, they showed them 1659. Instead of 1569. At the time they came to do the second burial of Mufuka family. These are cases that come years after the first burial have happened. So at the time it happens, nobody knows it's a mistake, including the families. It's only when subsequent burials or second burials or the erection of a memorial stone happen, a family wants to make. That's when you discover.
Le mindeni izophinde ihlanganyele kulamathuna ngomsombuluko kuzombiwa ukuze kuhlonzwe ithuna elinamabhokisi amabili.